Craig sydd ar gic rydd. Tuag at Edwards. Edwards yn cystadlu yn yr awyr. Bradley ar Brewsion. Clark. Y sodliad i mewn at Bradley. Bradley! A ni thynnu heibio'r postyn. O, symudiad slic gan Gaernarfon mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Cyfle gwych i Sean Bradley sgorio bedwaredd o'r tymor. Nathan Craig ar ei drod chwith. O, arbediad ragorol gan Idzi. Ond Leo Smith sy'n adennill y meddiant. Nôl at Craig. Ni sgubo i mewn. Ond y trod chwith nodweddiadol yna yn taro'r bêl tuag at gornel ucharrwyd. Chwarae da gan Jones, mlaen at Not at Bull o gwmpas y gogeidwad! O! Rhyngipiad allweddol arall gan Gaernarfon i rwystro Josh Bull. Y gôl o'i flanau. Y rhyngipiad yn wych gan Gaernarfon. Nathan Craig dos bosib. Craig yn ei chrymanu ddeg unwaith eto, mae Idzi yn arbed yn gampus. Am yr eildro, mae Idzi yn rwystro Nathan Craig. Carfyrddin dim, Caernarfon dim. Cyfleodd i'r ddau dîm, ond pryn maen nhw wedi bod yn yr ail hanner. Yn llithro mewn, mae Declan Carroll a angen iddo fe fod yn ofalus, y bas ymlaen, chwilio am Bull. Bull! Heibio i Gareth Edwards. Mae e wedi derbyn Cerdyn Melin. A fe fydd hi'n ail Gerdyn Melin i gapten y Cofis. Coch i Gareth Edwards. Caernarfon lawr i 10 dyn. A chyfle nawr efalle i'r hen air i fanteisio. Dyma Kai Jones. Jones yn defnyddio i gryfder. Y rhediad gan Leo Smith tu allan iddo fe. Ond maen nhw'n newid y cyfeiriad y chwarae yn wych at Williams. Williams yn helpu'r bêl ymlaen at Bradley. Caernarfon yn gorffen yn gryf. Bradley yn troi tu fewn i Jones. Yn curo fe ar y tu fas. Yn croesi'n wych! Ond ydi mewn! Mae mewn nawr! A mae Kai Jones wedi ennill y gêm i Gaernarfon. 10 dyn y Cofis yn ennill y gêm yn y funud ola un. Bradley yn creu, Jones a'i beniad lawr, a fe oedd yn gorffen.
You know, it's a massive win, you know, it's a massive credit to my boys. I thought they showed tremendous character, you know, going down to 10 men and with it being your captain as well. It can go one way or the other. I was fearing the worst in a way, but we changed the shape slightly. We made 1 or 2 changes and you know, some have said it might have been an inspired substitution, but I made it for Kai, you know, and Sean Kavanagh and Griff who come on and shut up the shop for us really. But yeah, absolutely made that. To come down to South Wales, you know, 1-0 win, clean sheet, 3 points, and like you said, back up to 4th. So yeah, made that.
Christian, a frustrating afternoon for Carmarthen, but it could have been so different.
Again, I think you missed a word out. No, it is, it's again. I think people will start taking note of what we're doing, and we're comfortably in control of most of the game. And I've said that the players, these are 5th in the league. You know, they've got a good record, they're scoring goals for fun. I'm pretty much dominated. And we'll give chances away because of the way we're going to play. And the chances we create, exactly the same as last week, we create them. We're not given, we're not, you know, long ball or something. I think we had 3 or 4 chances last week from start to the keeper. So this is what we've tried to implement in 4, 5, 6 weeks maybe. And it's getting there.
A sut oedd y teimlad nawr te ar ddiwedd y gêm yn yr ystafell newid na?
O, gret. Yn enwedig ar rownd yna lawr i 10 dyn efo Gareth yn cael sent off, ond fysion, pwysio ni ymlaen. Dwi'n meddwl ni 5 tu ôl sy'n S1, so dal i fynd.